Hello there again! Welcome back to our channel. This is Mami Jan from JAMS Creative Works. Today, I will be making a DIY pen holder using popsicle sticks, recycled popsicle sticks. Okay, because I really love recycling things. Okay, so these are the things that we need. Okay, first I need a circle shape for my base. I need glue gun, glue stick, and of course the popsicle sticks, the recycled popsicle sticks. Since my daughter Mia, she really loves to make things using different kinds of colors. Okay, she really loves rainbow colors, so this time I will make it like more colorful using different colors of popsicle sticks: orange, red, blue, green, purple, and yellow. So these are my only available colors. So I will make a colorful pen holder, okay, using these colorful popsicle sticks. So let's get started. It's done. This is for Mia because Mia loves rainbow colors.
Yeah, I like rainbow colors.
Yeah, so I use the hard plastic base, okay, to make it more durable.
That way.
Yeah. Okay, so I was planning to make a star and put the star here. So let's make a star.
Yay.
Okay, so we will make a star to decorate this one.
Yes.
Okay, so let's make a small star.
Small star.
Okay. it's done.
Give me, mommy, give me money.
Wait. You have a DIY pen holder. What will you say?
Thank you, mommy.
Okay. Let me see, how will you put your pens? Okay, show me. What will you say?
Thank you, mommy.
Do you like your pen holder?
Yes.
Why do you like it?
It's rainbow.
Because it's rainbow?
Yeah, I like it.
You really like rainbow colors?
Yes.
Wow. Are you happy now? Are you happy?
Happy.
Wow. Do you
Show
want,
ko ako, friend.
you want to show that one to your friends?
Yes.
Wow, you have a very nice pen holder.
Yeah.
Let me see. Wow. Who made this one?
It's mommy.
Mommy made this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what will you say to mom?
Thank you, mommy.
Okay, you're welcome. Or one like this.
My
for
sister.
auntie.
My
For
sister,
me,
auntie.
sister, big sister.
My sister, big sister.
Yes. Alright, you say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. See you in our next video.
Yeah, bye-bye.